Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can share WhatsApp link. So let's get right into it. First, let's make sure what kind of WhatsApp link we would like to share. Go ahead, open your WhatsApp. That's gonna basically open this kind of interface with all of the chats over here. So let's say you have this group. Go ahead, up on the three dot icon, you will go to script group info, scroll down, tap on this invite via link. Go ahead, tap on this, copy that particular link. Now the link is copied. You can go to your any of the platforms of the social media and go ahead, share that link for the group. But if you would like to share your profile link, even if you go to, let's say we go to our settings, right? So this is, we only have a QR option. We can go ahead, tap on the scan code. If you would like to go ahead, tap on this. Even if you tap on this, we do not have, you can simply go ahead, tap on the share option, which we will simply be able to share our QR code instead if you would like to share a link for your account. So that's it guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.